dobre, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. Today the weather is changing slightly. It is raining. In the morning it was a very bright sky, but today it's raining. I'm still a cough and flu. So I decided to go somewhere. I feel like I don't want to go that too far from our apartment. And this behind me is the church, the Kościelna. So because of I live again in the district where there are so many restaurants and so many cafes, coffee shops. So I think that we will just go to the one shop, maybe one restaurant, one cafe. Look at this rain. And yeah, let's see what we gonna eat today. We are in a Kościelna. That's the church in front of me, and here you see it's raining, and then this is the traffic situation. And it was big thunder before rush hour, and I think that we will go somewhere where we still can eat. I think that I want to eat a soup. Oh, look at the traffic jam. I think this is because of in front of me the road construction, but yeah, just a while. And that's in front of me over there. You see that the back apartment building, that is a ramen shop. Maybe I will eat ramen there. Let's go. The view of the church, actually the traffic, and that's the building over there. Nice, quite old. Right, and then the traffic situation because of the road construction in the front. And there in front of me is the ramen shop, the apartment, Hop and Go, Zapka, and pizza restaurant, another apartment. So yeah, this is actually the situation. So let's go there to the ramen shop. We are in the ramen, yeah. Like I told you guys, here in Yesice district you can find any kind of restaurant, Asian restaurant, or Western restaurant. So I'm ordering some tonkotsu and sparkling water with a view like this. And I'll show you around the restaurant. It's very nice. And green, I really like the green concept. And watching how the hustle and bustle. And look at this one, the church view in front of me. So when I got sick, like flu, I really need to eat something hot and soupy. So I'm really grateful to live in Yesice district, where my apartment is just like 2 minutes walk. It's not that far. So yeah, I decided to go here to eat something hot. Here we are, Smacznego. This is my ramen. It's actually a 40 sote tonkotsu shio, like that one. And let's see what is it inside. Very huge portion. I think this one is with the egg, tofu, spring onion, ramen noodle, and this one I think with the seaweed. I can't wait to eat it. Smacznego! This is very huge. Let's try the soup. So rich and flavor, and it's very tasty. It's very nice Japanese ramen. I think this one is the best ramen restaurant in Yesice district. Bardzo polecam. So inside is also the pork like this, and the broth, the pork broth, it's so tasty. Very nice. Now I will try the noodle. This one. Very tasty. This is not paid endorsement. I don't know the owner, but I just highly recommended you. If you are in Yesice district and you want to eat a hot ramen soup, this one, ramen ya. So good. Very nice ramen. And yeah, the rain is still going and going. Now I want to eat something for dessert, but I'm looking for a dessert place around here. Yeah, maybe we can buy something in Zapka. Let's go. So that was the ramen shop, and then the church, and then the pizza restaurant, and then let's go to Zapka. I think that I want to buy something here. So we are in Zapka basically. I don't know what I'm gonna buy. So Zapka is just like 7-Eleven. They are also ready to eat food like this. They have juice. They have a bread like this. Bread like this. Yogurt. Ham. Cheese. Milk. Ham. Ice. Drink. It's literally like 7-Eleven in Bangkok. Water, drink, Coke, chips. Biscuit as well. Nice. I decided to buy this because this one is with the coconut. I think around 5 sot or something. They have this one, cabanos, many things. They have ice cream as well, many things. If you wanna make it warm, and they also have a coffee there, alcohol drink, beer, wine, many things. So this one is my favorite snack or dessert. It's actually yesiki with the coconut. I really like coconut and the chocolate like this. Very nice. And watching how the people are outside. So in Zapka also, if we wanna sit and eat like this, it is possible if they prepare like the table like this. Very nice. So the rain already stopped. Now it's time to go home. Look at this pizza restaurant. It's also busy. So I'll take you to a little bit walk. This is actually, literally 1 minute walk from my apartment. And this is actually the situation. This one is beauty studio. So yeah, many shop and many salon, hair salon, and yeah, many things is here basically. This is the garden in my apartment. Look at this. They really maintain the rose flowers blooming, the pine trees, and that's the grass. Very nice. Right, I'm already in the lift. It's already home. I think that's all my video today, guys. Yeah, raining again. And thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.